Hello. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So, the purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty options open interest data. We would be analyzing Nifty spot on multiple time frames and we would be framing a view for 15th February, that is Monday. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list as well. So if we analyze Nifty options max pain data for 18th February weekly expiry contract, you will see that max pain level is at 15,100 levels. So if market was to expire around 15,100 level on 18th February, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, theoretically speaking. If we analyze the overall open interest data, you will see that highest amount of calls have been written at 15,500 strike, followed by 15,200 strike. And if we see the puts, highest amount of puts have been written at 15,100 strike, and second highest strike is 15,000 puts. So it gives us a broad range of 15,500 to 15,000 on the index, and basically 15,000 is likely to act as a strong support in the near future, and 15,500 is going to act as a strong resistance. And if you see what happened on Friday intraday, highest amount of calls were written at 15,300 strike and 15,500 strike, and in puts highest amount of puts were written at 15,000 strike. So again, it gives us a broad overall range of 15,000 to 15,300, 15,500 levels on the index based on the overall open interest data as well as the change in open interest data based on the intraday time frame. If we analyze Nifty spot on multiple time frames, you will see that on the monthly time frame, Nifty is under control of buyers above 13,758 levels. And on the weekly time frame, market was again under control of buyers above the weekly open, that is 15,064. And on the daily time frame, here you will see that on Friday, market was under control of sellers as it closed below the open. However, if we see the structure now of the price action on the daily time frame, here we have formed higher highs and higher lows. Here you can see them. So in terms of structure on the daily time frame, market is in an uptrend. Based on the daily time frame, what is likely to happen on Monday is that above 15,163 we can trade towards 15,243, 15,286 levels, and potentially 15,341 levels, and below 15,081 we can trade towards 15,038 and 14,983 and potentially 14,919 levels. And the neutral price range for Monday is going to be 15,163 to 15,081. Now we would be discussing our stock watch list. The stocks that we have chosen are Biocon, Tata Consumer Products, and Kotak Bank. So in Biocon, we'll look for buying opportunity above 411.35 levels, or below 403.7 levels. We'll look for selling opportunity in Biocon, and we'll not be making any trade in between the high-low range of Friday. Second stock is Tata Consumer Products. It's again an inside candle. So we'll look for selling opportunity below 603.4 levels, or we'll look for buying opportunity above 616.3 levels. And our final stock is going to be Kotak Bank. So above 1975.1 level, we look for buying opportunity, and below 1945.9 levels, we look for selling opportunity. And in between the high-low range, we'll not be making any trade in Kotak Bank. So we just have to basically mark high and low of Friday on these stocks and wait for at least 15-minute candle to close above or below those levels and then initiate a trade. I would like to summarize that tomorrow above 15,163 we can potentially trade towards 15,341 levels, and below 15,081 levels we can potentially trade towards 14,919 level on the index, and 15,163 to 15,081 is going to be the neutral price range. However, based on the monthly and the weekly time frame and based on tomorrow's weekly open, we would be better off if we look for only buying opportunities above 15,163 and refrain from making any short trades below 15,163. And overall, we are in a broad range of 15,500 to 15,000 based on the overall open interest data. And the weekly expiries max pain level suggest that if market was to expire at 15,100, then option writers are going to suffer the least amount of losses, and option call and put buyers, they're going to suffer the maximum amount of losses. And our stock watch list for Monday consists of inside candles, Biocon, Tata Consumer Products, and Kotak Bank. So inside candles are formed when there's an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So whichever side breaks, we look for an entry opportunity in that direction. And finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. To hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Floor YouTube channel. Thank you.